Hi students, what are you doing? So I hope all are reading in their home properly and completed all my homeworks. I need your photos. You send me. Okay? So dear class students, in previous class we discussed about standard form. Am I right? So today we are reading about before, after and between. So let's start this with one activity. So everyone ready? So let's start the activity.
Let's see one example. You can see here three animals are there. Can you see this? This is buffalo, this is tiger, and this is zebra. So three animals are there. So now we have to find out before, after and between. So let's start. So here buffalo is before the tiger. Buffalo is before the tiger, and the tiger is before the horse. Buffalo is before the tiger and tiger is before the horse. Means this buffalo is before tiger and this tiger is before horse. So all of you know about before. Now this tiger is after the buffalo. This tiger is after the buffalo. After the buffalo, and the horse is after the tiger. Again I repeat, the tiger is after the buffalo and the horse is after the tiger. So now all of you know about before and after. So now find out which animal is between. Yes, you are right. So tiger is between buffalo and horse. Tiger is between buffalo and horse.
In case of numbers, how can you find before, after and between? So first take one example. You just start from one digit numbers like this. If I write 7, 8, 9, these three numbers I write here. So you can say 7 is before 8 and 8 is before 7. So these are the called before numbers. And you can say 8 is after 7 and 9 is after 8. So 7 is before 8, means before, back, and 8 is before 9, means 9 is back, 8. After 8 is after 7, means go ahead, next number. 9 is after 8, means after 8, 9, next number. So this is before, after. Now between. So 8 is present in between 7 and 9. So 8 is between 7 and 9. So before, to use before we can say predecessor, and to after, for after we can say successor. Predecessor and successor. So now everyone open your textbook. So here the chapter page number 30. Before, after and between numbers. So here numbers that comes before a given number, that is 7. numbers that comes before a given number means 8 is given, the before number is 7, so you can say are called predecessor. So 7 is called predecessor of 8. Predecessor. 7 is called predecessor means back. Then successor means next. So if 8 is given number, 7 is predecessor number, that is back, and 9 is successor number, that is you can say as successor number. So 7 is predecessor number and 9 is successor number. Everyone understood? Predecessor and successor. So this is in case of 1 digit number. The same thing in 2 digit number and 3 digit number. So let's solve some questions, then you will get some ideas about this. I hope all of you written this. If you don't write, then go back little bit and write down. So now, if one given number is written here, given 100. What is 100? So now we have found here the predecessor means back number of 100 and the successor, that is the next number of 100. Two things we can count. Here you can write these two numbers. Here back side predecessor, front side next number, that is successor. Don't confuse about predecessor and successor. Pre means back, successor means next, predecessor means back, successor means next. So now the given number is 100. So now we have found the predecessor of 100 and the successor of 100. So you can simply know, you can here you can write 101 is the successor and 99 is the predecessor. So how can you find 101? That is 100 plus 1, that is 101. This is the successor of 100. When you find successor, that time you plus 1. When you find predecessor, that time you minus 1. This is the mathematical way. Next number means plus 1, back number means minus 1. You can write successor, that is next number. So you can do plus 1. And predecessor, that is back number. You can write minus 1. Understood everyone? Predecessor minus 1, successor plus 1. That first. And 100 is the in between 99 and 100. So now go to question number 1. What is written here? Write the number that comes before and the number that comes after. Write the number that comes before and the number that comes after. Before means predecessor and after means successor. We have to find the number which one comes before and which one comes after. First question A we already solved. Another question I solved here, that is F1, that is 370. Question number 1 F. You should write the number properly. 370 is given. You should count the predecessor means back number, successor means next number. So how can you find next number? 370. After 370, 371. It is simply you can write. Otherwise, if you don't find, then 370 lost 1 for next number. This is for next number. Then we got 0 plus 1, 173. That is 371 for next number. And same thing you do here to find back number. You should subtract. Am I right? Now subtract. You can't subtract 0 to 1. Then you carry here from 7. It becomes 10. 10 minus 1 9. Then 6 comes down 3. That is 369. So 369 is the back number. 371 is the next number of 370, and 370 is the in between 369 and 371. All of you understood? So next question is question number 2. Go to question number 2 and read the question properly. What is written here? Write the number that comes between. Write the number that comes between. Between means here 370 is between. So one example is already given, 98, 99, 100. So which number is given? 98. Here is given 100. So which number in between? 98, 100. Same thing, you can add here 98 plus 1, then you get 99. Otherwise you can subtract 1, that is also 99. So this is the answer, 99. To find the between number, you can add 1 with back number and you can subtract 1 with next number. Then you can find the between number. So let's solve some questions. Go to question number 2. Question number 2F. Here is written 599 dash 601. So what is question given? Find the between number. So to find between number, you can simply, if you count the numbers, then you get the numbers. That is one way. If you don't find in this way, then you can do add 1 with back number. Then you find the between number. Otherwise, subtract 1 with the next number. Then you find the between number, that is 600. So again I repeat, to find between number, you can add 1 with previous number. Otherwise, you can subtract 1 with next number. Then you can find the between number, that is 600. Understood everyone? So now to next question. What is written in question? So here, count by twos and write the numbers that comes before, after and between. Counts by twos and write the numbers that comes before, after and between. So here 95 is written, after that one box is written, given. So in that box we write the after number. So in B1 182 is written, in back side one box is given. Here you write the before number. So let's solve. Then you get understood. So question number 3. Read the question properly. This is the most important thing. What is given in this question? What you have to find. So count by twos and write the numbers that comes before, after and between. Count by twos and write the numbers that come before, after and between. Count by twos. When we count after number, we count by 1. That's why we add 1 and subtract 1. But here count by twos means we have to add 2, otherwise subtract 2. So what is the first question? 95 is written in a box, and after that one box is given. So here you have to count the next number of 95, and which is count by 2. Means you add here 2. That is 97. You should write here 97. This is question number A. Understood everyone? This is count by 2. That's why I add 2. If counts by 1, then that's why I add 1. Here we have to find the next number. That's why we add. If here is given, find the before number. Then I subtract it. Got it? Then here is written 101. Then find the next number, count by 2. So I add 2, then 103. To count by 2, that's why I add 2 here. Understood everyone? Now B1. That is, box is given before and 182 is written here. So you can find here the before number. But one twist is there, count by 2. In before question, we found before number by subtract 1. Why? There is not given any count by 2 or 3 like this. So here is given count by 2. So I subtract 2. Why I subtract here? Because you have to find the before number. To find before number, we subtract. To find next number, we add. So 2 minus 2 0. Here 8. Here 1. So this is 180 the answer. So next question 186 is given. You should find the next number count by 2. You can find out. This is very easy. So you can do it. Now move to next part. Fill in the blanks. Everyone got it? Page number 613. Fill in the blanks. Next question. Question A. Two even numbers between 179 and 189 are dash and dash. Two even numbers. I hope all of you know about even numbers. How can you find even numbers? If in unit place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is there, then this number is called even numbers. So do it. Same thing to odd numbers between 898 and 908 are dash and dash. Then two even numbers after 416 are dash and dash. Two odd numbers before 500 are dash and dash. So these four are the tricky questions. So you read this question properly, then you can solve this question. If you don't know about even number and odd number, then one video is uploaded in second class playlist. You can find out. Then you solve these questions. I hope all of you understood what I taught today. So again I repeat, if you don't know about even number and odd number, first subscribe the channel and go to playlist in second standard. In second standard playlist, you can find out odd and even number. First learn this, then solve these questions. So today we learn about before, after and between numbers. So I hope all of you understood. If you don't understand, then comment me in my video. I will clear the doubt, and my WhatsApp number is already given in description box. You can ask your doubt also in my WhatsApp number. So thank you students. Please subscribe and tap on bell icon.